I would definitely say you're short-sighted. Yeah. Yeah. Actually correct. Is this ramen, Gavin? Is this fucking ramen? Is this appropriate? Does this check out for you? Is that fucking ramen? Is that ramen-y enough?
Whoa, Jesus Christ! What the fuck is that?
It's very ramen. Ramen, Gavin. Is this fucking ramen? Is this appropriate? Does this check out for you? Is that fucking ramen? Is that ramen-y enough?
Whoa, Jesus Christ! What the fuck is that?
It's very ramen.
What the hell?
I went to the grocery store, I bought it, I followed the instructions.
What? Oh my god! You just hit a sign.
That's all I wanted to say.
We should go that way just to see what
that's-
happens.
Fucking idea.
What the?
Other ways to make ramen.
Oh my god!
Quarter mile at the traffic circle.
Black
Continue
Ford
straight
Ranger.
onto State Route 20 East,
That is
Westmore
crazy.
Street.
He went off to the right there. He totally.
He hit this.
Yeah,
I heard screeching behind.
there's the sign.
Holy
Jesus
shit!
Christ.
I think he came around a couple people in the roundabout. I thought it was us for a second. I was like, that turned very hard.
Yeah, that is.
Holy shit!
I don't think we're gonna be able to catch up to him at this point.
No, I don't think
Where's
so.
the rest of the sign? Is that a stolen car or something?
That's what I would think.
Jeez.
Oh, there's people up here.
Yeah, I noticed that.
Oh my god.
Oh, okay. And
Oh my god. What has
did
happened?
he hit somebody? I don't see his car. They look like they're chasing someone though.
So, quick recap of what just happened. You see the guy come into the roundabout at very high speed here and pass the Prius in the middle. He comes incredibly close to the back of my truck, and I actually have to swerve out of the way just a little bit. He goes the wrong way on this roundabout and actually runs completely over a sign here.
He totally.
He hit this.
Yeah,
I heard screeching behind.
there's the sign.
Holy shit!
As we come around the corner here, he's actually completely out of view at this point, but as we come up to this last roundabout, you can see somebody else that's chasing him. And what happened here is there was a gold SUV that got hit on its left rear quarter panel, and his tire blew out, and he's the guy that stopped up here with his hazard lights on. Further up the road, another one or at least two vehicles got hit by him, and I think his car was immobilized.
They look like they're chasing someone.
After a significant amount of searching, I actually found a Facebook post by the Cedar Woolley Police Department, and it says, quote, "Tonight at about 14:24 hours, Cedar Woolley officers were dispatched to an MBA at Moore Street and Metcalf Street in the city of Cedar Woolley. Dispatched advised that multiple callers advised that a pickup was driving at a high rate of speed on eastbound Highway 20. That pickup then struck multiple vehicles and a power pole. The male driver of the pickup was seen by witnesses walking away from the vehicle. When officers arrived in the area, witnesses had the subject contained. Upon further investigation, the driver of the pickup was found to be under the influence. A search warrant was requested for blood evidence. Officers received the warrant, which later was served on the driver. He was later booked into Skagit County Jail on charges related to this incident. We greatly appreciate the number of people who were willing to get involved by making a call to 911 or by watching the suspect as he tried to flee. This photo of the suspect's pickup was also posted by the police on Facebook.